I just made a delicious white chocolate pumpkin protein mug cake. It's low sugar, low in calories, high in protein, and oh, so delicious. Let's make it. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this keto pancake mix. I get this from Thrive Market. I'm gonna go in with a 1/3 cup, which is a serving. This is low carb and also has protein. It's got about 6 grams of protein per serving. I'm gonna add some pumpkin spice protein shake to this instead of milk or water. And then I'm gonna add some sugar-free white chocolate chips. Mixy mix, babes. I've got a pancake consistency, maybe a little thicker. You can also spray your bowl with some nonstick cooking spray too. Kind of help it not to stick. Now it's gonna go in Chef Mike for however long until it's not super gooey. I'll let you know. This is totally not necessary, but you know I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna add some pumpkin spice skinny sauce to the top of this. And then some pumpkin spice whipped topping. Perfection. Okay, let's try it out. And then I have another surprise. We're gonna make something else pumpkin flavored. So let's see how this one turned out though. A little bit of the whipped topping. Ooh, it's hot. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. I think I forgot to tell you that, but every microwave is different, so it kind of just depends on your microwave. Ooh, that bowl is hot. You guys, unreal, insane. That is so good. Since my new favorite flavor combo is pumpkin white chocolate, that's kind of what we're gonna do. We're gonna make pumpkin white chocolate chia seed pudding. Never made chia seed pudding before. I've seen it done once and tried it once, so I'm gonna try it on my own. I read that you need a 1/3 cup of liquid for every tablespoon of chia seed. So let's do, I don't know, what do you guys think? 3 tablespoons of chia seeds? Okay. For extra protein and for pumpkin flavor, I'm gonna use the rest of this pumpkin spice protein shake. I don't know if there's a whole cup in here. We're gonna find out how much liquid's in here. And I don't think I told you, but I got my chia seeds from Thrive Market, like I got my pancake mix. We did. We had a cup in there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave just a little bitty bit. You know what? No, I'm gonna pour it in and I'm gonna add just a little bit of white chocolate skinny syrup. Could I have something to sweeten it, even though that protein shake does have some sweetness? What about some pumpkin caramel skinny syrup too? Okay, I may need to add just a little bit more chia seeds. I'm afraid it's gonna be too runny. I'm so new with this. Now we gotta whisk this up, so mixy mix, babes. So I'll check back in with y'all in the morning and we'll see how this turned out. I don't know. At least I still have this delicious mug cake. Guys, I cannot tell you how good this is. It's the best one I've made.